56. Write letters to friends. 57. Practice writing emails. 58. Learn to write reports. 59. Read English poetry. 60. Write book reviews. 61. Use language learning apps. 62. Watch English language YouTube channels. 63. Listen to podcasts on various topics. 64. Use online language learning platforms. 65. Join language learning communities. 66. Take online English courses. 67. Use language exchange websites. 68. Download language learning podcasts. 69. Use speech recognition tools. 70. Explore language learning blogs. 'Remember, consistent practice and exposure to the language are key to improving your English speaking skills.